In manufacturing, every second of uptime matters. When your technology fails, production stops, deadlines slip, and costs rise fast. We're an award-winning IT provider named to the Inc. 5000 list as one of America's fastest-growing companies and recognized on the Global MSP 501, a ranking of the top managed IT providers in the world. Contact Twintel today for a free strategic IT review and cybersecurity assessment designed for manufacturing. Get reliable connectivity for shipping, receiving, barcode systems, refrigeration monitoring, inventory tools, and supplier communication. We ensure stable networks and reliable devices supporting SCADA, MES, PLC interfaces, ERP systems, labeling tools, and production software. Increase your team's efficiency with secure SharePoint workstations, file permissions, scheduling tools, and access-controlled shared drives. We ensure consistent, secure data that supports traceability, recall management, regulatory reporting, and readiness for customer or FDA audits. Twintel, your technology department, keeping your operations running.